Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video, we're going to talk about a new ICO that is about to get live here on the market. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button, and let's go right away into the video to discuss this coin, what it is exactly doing. So BitDAO is one of the largest DAOs in the world, supported by billionaire Peter Thiel. Founders Fund, Pantera, Dragonfly, Spartan, and Bybit, and even more. And right away I'm going to say it, why am I so excited about it? And you can see Bybit here. It's of course the largest cryptocurrency future trading platform, and it is a major proponent for BitDAO, since Bybit will be contributing 2.5 basis points, what equals 0.0025% of its trading volume towards the treasury of BitDAO. And that is of course as well equaling, if we're looking back towards the rates of 2021 here, at an approximately $1 billion a year. And yeah, that is pretty interesting. So first of all, yeah, we know that Bybit is a very large cryptocurrency exchange, and they are investing in this project, and we could be joining it right now still in the ICO round here, what could be of course generate massive hype. This could be generating of course massive as well token valuation increases, and that is one of the many reasons why I'm getting excited about it, since I am already a huge lover of Bybit. And you can see it over here as well. BitDAO's vision is an open finance and decentralized tokenized economy. We hope to support a broad range of projects, including DeFi, DAOs, NFTs, and gaming. They will be giving support in form of research and development, liquidity, bootstrapping, and funding. So that is already pretty interesting what you could be doing with it. But let me right away talk about what is BitDAO exactly doing here, since of course, yeah, it is nice to know that Bybit is of course usually investing in towards it, and that they are making of course quite a lot of revenue every single year, and they are going to invest 2.5 basis points in towards the project every single year, and that's quite significant. So you can see over here, what does BitDAO aim to do here? So partnering with projects via token swaps and co-development efforts, token swaps will be enabled the BitDAO treasury to accumulate a collection of the top of the crypto project tokens. So that's pretty interesting. You're basically investing in a fund, and they are of course going to accumulate collections of the top cryptocurrencies, like you can see over there, as well build core products which enable the BitDAO and other DAOs to function more effective. This includes on-chain and off-chain governance solutions and the DAO treasury management solutions here. So also pretty interesting. Provide the funds to teams that could be producing research or products that are good for the cryptocurrency space. What is also pretty nice and very revolutionary to do, of course. And as well, what is very important to know here is that all treasury actions will be determined by the BIT token holders through a proposal voting process. What is of course all done on chain. So that's pretty interesting how it works. And of course, if you are a holder in the project, of course you have as well a saying in towards it, since of course it's a decentralized anonymous organization. So that is pretty interesting to know, of course, and to talk about. So what is the BIT token exactly going to do, since you can be buying in towards the token as well? So what basically we'll be doing here is token swaps with existing and emerging projects, treasury allocation into various strategies, pretty interesting. You're basically investing in a fund as well, liquidity support for partner projects, grants or milestone rewards for teams and research and development centers to build a BitDAO product or support for other partners, funding to blockchain technology projects, education programs, or a blockchain public good here, updates to the BitDAO core protocols, including governments and treasury management functions here. So yeah, these are basically the pros to have this coin and to hold it. It's pretty interesting, since you have the governments if you're of course a holder in the token, and you could be having a saying what the project is going to do. But I think it's already pretty revolutionary and pretty nice that they are going to of course invest with your capital as well into new blockchain projects, and that will be of course yield more rewards for you, since it's in my personal opinion probably a very good pick here, since of course these other big companies are as well invested in it, and as well these billionaires what are opting of course to make a very good project out of it. So that's pretty interesting to see, of course. How is the DAO designed here? The DAO is basically inside within government system used by many cryptocurrency projects, of course, especially in DeFi. We know it, and I as well have been saying it several times on the channel. I like governance projects, since you of course have the saying in the in the coin here. So as well, the DAO will be controlled by the BIT token holders. Like I told you before, you have the government. If you're a holder of the coin, it's not a company. No, it's a DAO. So it's basically a decentralized anonymous organization, and it does not have any management teams or employees. Any individual development teams or research and development labs can be proposed through an update, token swap, and partners for the BitDAO. BIT token holders will vote whether to approve or reject these proposals. So yeah, it's pretty interesting because it's literally power to the people, power to the holders. So yeah, if you're invested in the project and you think it's going the wrong way, you could be, of course, rejecting the proposal. If you think, okay, this is a nice step in the right direction for the project, you can be, of course, approve the proposal. So that's pretty interesting as well. The funding route will be starting here in approximately 3 hours here. You can see as well already the token distribution here. It's approximately 5% private sale, 5% for the partner. For the launch partner rewards, 30% for the BitDAO treasury, the Bybit investment flexible 15%, and the locked Bybit investment here approximately 45%. And as well, what is very interesting to know here, will be as well leave a link towards this site here in the link in the description. Is of course CoinMarketCap. You can be, of course, find how to participate here in the auction details. You can be participating this project right now with Ethereum or with Sushi, so that's pretty interesting. You can be finding links over here. If you're clicking on that link, you're coming towards this site. You have to connect your wallet, you have to connect your MetaMask, and you could be, of course, find out how you could be investing in towards this round here. And what is pretty interesting to know here is that the top 10% here, the first 10% of the auction, will be getting a bonus allocation here of approximately 40%. The next 10% will be getting 35.6%. So the earlier you are going to step into the project, the bigger your bonus allocation will be here. So that's pretty interesting. What it, of course, is going to look like here, since of course the guys and everyone who's going to step in at first will be having a bigger allocation. So you're basically already getting a 40% profit here. So that's pretty interesting what you could be doing over here. Make sure that you're paying your attention towards it. And this is definitely, there were of course a lot of ICOs previously on the market getting launched, and that was of course in 2017, and they were not getting launched even since of course the market corrected, etc. But you have to know it is Bybit that is as well invested in it. They are investing 2.5% basis points here. That's of course approximately $1 billion per year into this treasury project. This is absolutely insane. You want to be paying attention towards it right now. Here you can see as well, they tweeted already about it. That's as well how I found out of it. They tweeted about it, and they were saying Bybit is proud to support the BitDAO. We made a 90.3 million contribution here in Ethereum USDT and USDC to the BitDAO officially treasury, equivalent towards the 2.5 basis points like we already discussed here. So pretty interesting. I should highly suggest check it out here. I will leave some links in the description here if you want to be even do more research about the project. It's going to get launched in 2 to 3 hours here. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be uploading another update about either XRP or Cardano after this, and Ethereum as well. So guys, make sure to keep your eyes on the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.